If you give this launch error with a message, you say, please close S-base before starting the game. I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now you get this launch error in any anti-cheat protected games. It can be Rust, Apex Legends, Dead by Daylight, Star Citizen, and many others. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now you'll need to open command prompt as administrator. Come here on the search bar on your PC and type CMD. And make sure to select here run as administrator. So I'm going to run it as administrator. After opening it as administrator, make sure to follow these instructions here. Now start by typing this scdelete s game exactly as it is written here. Don't worry, all these instructions will be available on the description of this video. So start by typing this scdelete s game. So open the command prompt as administrator and make sure to type this scdelete s -game and then click enter. After clicking enter, then you need to type this scdelete s base exactly as it is written here. Don't change anything. Then click enter. After clicking enter, then copy this scdelete AntiCheatExpert Service exactly as it is written here with quotation marks. Type it exactly as written here. Click enter. After clicking enter, and then follow this, which is scdelete AntiCheatExpert Protection with quotation marks exactly as it is written here. Click enter. After it finishes, restart your computer. This will remove the AntiCheatExpert services from your system and you will fix your problem, which say please close S-base before starting the game. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. You basically you need to run command prompt for all these here one by one, and this will resolve your problem. So let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you, and see you next time.